manufacturing and assembly. So this training, I think a little bit for the content one is for enhance our design, and then we try to prevent and eliminate the design way lah. So apa yang perlu, apa yang tak perlu, and then we calculate all the assembly time apa semua untuk minimizekan costing and some design behavior, and then we refer some table.
I learned a lot through this training, especially to create a design that is cost effectiveness to process and manufacture.
Yang kita boleh implement lah dekat kita punya industri, maybe to minimize the part lah. And then Pokayoki, Pokayoki, and then that one baru juga lah, baru tahu lah mistake proofing, right?
For trainer, I think is quite good lah and very knowledgeable, and then sometimes is enhance juga and good, have a very big experience lah. And then for me, good exit lah for me.
Our trainer, Mr. Sawaraj, is a very experienced and a very hands-on trainer, which can explain a lot of knowledge and design standard to us.
So far better lah. Dia elaborate more lah. So kita boleh faham easy.
I can give 5 out of 5 full marks to OTC trainers.
Bagi 9.5 lah.
OTC Training Center, Sendirian Berhad, delivering the best training for you.